Guys, actually I'm really sorry. Imagine I've just realized I didn't wipe off my camera, so the quality of the haul that I did might not be the best, but please bear with me. But let's get to it. Let's just get into the haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and of course thank you so much for stopping by. If you're not new here, thank you so much for the support. I love you so much. Thank you so much for always tuning in and making sure that you watch every video that I make. And if you're new here, karibu sana. We of course love new people. Make sure that you like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and of course the bell pale, in case we upload any new video you get notified. But in case you don't, we always upload videos here on Mondays and Fridays kama kawa na ni lazima, not unless maybe something very huge happens that makes me not to do so. But we always upload videos here on Monday and on Friday at 12 p.m. and let's get to the vlog. And again, I'm really sorry for the quality. Aki, I don't know how I recorded a whole almost 20 minutes video and did not remember to wipe my camera, but I apologize for that, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Cheers. I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you. Hi guys, hi beautiful people. It's a cold yet beautiful morning. So guys, there are some things that I got from the supermarket, other things from Panda Mart and in town. So I wanted to show you quickly before I put those things away. Zimekuwa zikikaa pale kwa zile stools for a minute now. So the first thing I got was this fridge guard. Is it a fridge? Yeah, fridge guard. Okay, when it comes to these things, sijuangi gani ndio original na gani ndio nini. So me usually when I was going to get the lights in Yamakema, I just got this one. So even the inner car, I'm not sure if it's original or not, but anyway, we move on regardless. Water, it does the job. Yeah, so I got this one from Yamakema. It was going for I think 250. Yeah, I think in ukinunua kwa tao, like tao zile shops za tao utauziwa na 500. Yeah, so I also, this is a bracket. I don't know when you know it, but it's for these. Easy. So I need to change sockets zangu za kitchen. They are kidogo, so every socket at the moment is occupied. So I need to change your socket your fridge in the place idea fridge so that I can be able to like put on the microwave. Sijakuwa nikitumia microwave because of that, so I think it's high time we fix this. So to fix it, then sasa ndio at least nikuwe natumia microwave. Yeah, so itakuwa hivi. So yeah, so we'll change the single one to a double, and then yeah, so this is it. So kuna hizo. So this one was at 60 shillings Nyamakema bado, and this one was at 100 bucks. Yeah, so that's super affordable. And then I got this. So I ni purchase ya Panda Mart. By the way, kwenye nina Nyamakema I made rounds because nilienda Motokinjo, nikatoka nikakuwa like nimepita tu hapa Panda Mart, let me go to Panda Mart. So I took a minute. So yeah, so I got this. So this is a frother to froth either coffee or milk. Really nice because me, I loved iced coffee, so of course this will come in handy. It was at 200 baht, yeah, if I'm not sure. Then I got this. So this is supposed to be one like this. So his name is a Dubois, yeah. Yes, kubeta really make rounds. So his name is a Dubois. So at least when you're washing your face, it won't what? Haitakuwa maji itakuwa like ikiteremka past this. So this is kinda protect the water from like getting to you. Yeah, and it's really nice, especially when doing your skincare. So I got that. So I got it at I think 100 bob or 120, just thereabouts. Okay. Oh yeah, so I think hizi vitu zingine za super. so let's get quick to that. So I'm tuko in the month of July, yeah, and I don't think I'm going to like do the monthly shopping this time round because I really like have a lot of things. So what I need to do is just top up on a few things that I usually kuna vitu zenye nikibuy nikishatumia zinaisha tu. So of course those are the things I'm going to restock on, and I'm going to show you here. And I think on the last vlog I also showed you a few things that I did restock on, but for now we're just doing a restock on the things that are now zenye zimeisha that need nini, but I'm not doing like a monthly shopping this time around. So I'll do monthly shopping July ikiisha, yeah, so that's when I'll do it. So I got pads, of course. So as always I usually go for the always anyway, so I usually go for always the maxi thick sensitives. Okay, so this one is I think the most affordable always that you can get, and it's really nice. You'll get value for your money, of course. And another thing I got was Bloom. So these are facial towels, so I usually use these after just using the sink, or maybe sometimes even drying my face. So it comes in handy, inakanga pale kwa ile shelf ya pale kwa sink. So kisha osha mikono you use this, ama hata when you wash your face you use this. Yeah, so this is better rather than having a towel pale. Unajua towel usually accumulates dirt as you go, sindio? So mimi nimekuja nimeosha mkono, someone else comes and washes their hands, they use the same towel. Ama sasa zingine nimeosha mkono and I've not like done a really good job, so napata hiyo uchafu yenye libaki imebaki kwa towel, of which I think it's not hygienic at all. So this works perfectly. So in your like mahali pa kuosha mkono watu sishindo umekea watu serviettes, just use this because this moja goes a long way, because of the need, like when I don't say like saki kusema nini fabric, but because of the network, because of the mungu wangu, the word inapotea, like the texture of these tissues, it's able to like, one goes a long way. Like ukichukua tu kamoja you can be able to like wipe off your hands with it. Sometimes kutumia serviettes is usually yeah, so this one works. So this was at pads ni 85 bob each. This was at 120, and it's 70 individual 2-ply sheets, Bloom. And of course I think cause ni Bloom ziko na color or not, yeah, they don't, but anyway the box looks cute. Actually just tuaje kwa box na yakelianga tu hivi kwa shelf, then nafungua hapa natoa. So when you nini, you just remove. The box is actually really strong. Box za hizi facial tissues na hanga really strong, so you don't need to get another thing to kuweka hizi facial tissues. Works perfectly, yeah. So that's that. So another thing I got was a Remis. So for a minute now I've been using Vaseline. Since the last time I was getting this petroleum jelly, sikupatanga place yenye nilishop, sikupatanga hii. So I opted to take the Vaseline one, but sai Vaseline iko karibu kuisha, so nikajaza na hii. This was at 120 if I'm not wrong. Then of course hatuwezi kosa pack ya noodles kwa nyumba because of one, we don't cook every day, yeah, you know. So this was going for 140 for 5 pieces. These pieces better now. As far as you like the tiny ones, but nikikula hii, it's usually enough. Moja tu, like moja, it's usually enough, especially for those days when you're nimeshinda kwa nyumba, it's lunchtime and I don't want to like do much. This comes in handy. Okay, another thing I got was this. So this is Safisha bleach. Actually the last time I did shopping I forgot to buy this, and this is the time. Lakini uzuri I got the fabric softener enye inakuja na nini, inakuja na a jik, like inakuja na type gani, I'm not sure the brand, I'm not sure the brand, nimesahau brand, but the fabric softener I got inakuja na a free small nini jik colors. So that's what I have been using. But of course because of Pichu, cleaning surfaces, especially the balcony where she goes to Potty is really important to use jik because at least inatoanga hiyo harufu mbaya. So of course this is the most affordable that you can get in the market right now, and it comes in a long way. And I love the fact that iko na harufu ya hiyo nini, iko na harufu ya hiyo jik na get, and it also kills germs and does so many other things. But then you realize the other ones are not as strong as much, because sometimes when natakanga nikiosha, especially when I'm washing the balcony, yo harufu ndio like the harufu of peaches shit iishe enye nabaki sani ya hiyo the detergent that I've used. But so sometimes nikipata kama nilikuwa nimetumia ile ingine kale kadogo, I don't remember the brand, inaitwa aje, like a small one, nikitumia hiyo I'll just put the nini image here. So nikitumia hiyo unapata haitoi like haibakishi hiyo harufu, na hiyo harufu ndio nataka ibaki. Yeah, at least it gets rid of like hiyo harufu inakuwa dominant, like the detergent's harufu inakuwa dominant, but that does not happen. But with Sufficient it's strong enough. Yeah, and 1 liter is 200 bob, which is so affordable. Hii liter moja itakaa. The last one I bought wasn't even a liter na ilikaanga, so hii itakaa sana. And it's colors of course, so it can also be used to wash clothes, any kind of clothing. So na kama sahi the nini that I'm wearing, of course you'll need to soak it, and the minute I'm soaking it, I'll soak it with jik colors, and because of no part when you colors, it won't affect it. Yeah, we all know how jik colors works. Oh, these are more parts. Okay, so I added on the 2 small juices. This usually comes in handy. I've grown to like them so much. So this was guava. I've never tried it, so of course I had to pick it to just nisket venye iko to just be that 250 ml, which is a glass, which is just perfect. Then I got apple, my fave, another apple, and then multi-fruit. So we all know, kama you've been here for a minute, unajua tu mi napenda the what is called this brand, Go Fruit. So usually when I'm picking apple, I usually pick for this one, and yeah, it works for me. Yeah, then nikachukua multi-fruit ingine. Yeah, I did take many. So also my spices, not all of them, I'm fully packed on that, but hizi zilikuwa karibu kuisha. Actually I think sai imebaki moja, so I took this. Usually goes for 100 bob, and nakonga 26 pieces, of which it's perfect. Like if you say you'll use 1 per day, of course sasa hizi ni 26 by the math ambang. And then I got this. I think I've already nishatoanisha. I got a few of them, but I think hizo zingine nishatoanisha. So I usually have this in my bag. Yeah, so it comes in handy. So I think nishazeka kwa hiyo bag ingine, kwa hizo bags zenye natumianga. So I usually just have 1 per every bag that I use, because sometimes I have a bag that I usually use to run errands with. I have a bag that I usually carry to work. Then kuna bag ile yenye nasemanga it's a little, you know, special, maybe outside, maybe you're going somewhere out, or maybe going to church. So yeah, so I put 1 in each. So here nimebaki. Then another thing I got was these these are nini cotton pads. So for this one, ear pads, I usually buy the refill one. So naona kale kachupa ka ear pads kwenye nilibaini nako mara ya kwanza, I don't throw it away. So that's what I use. Then nachukua tu ear refill. Ear refill inakuwa actually 40 bob. So it's not like this is a lot. This is a lot. It takes me at least a month. So nikichukua tu najaza kwa ile ingine inakuwa sawa. So this saves you a lot. Instead of getting your ingine, I think near 120, you just buy it once, then it's tupe your chupa, then you buy here ku refill. Yeah, comes in handy. Another thing I got was garam masala. Pia hiyo imeisha. This is one of my favorite spices. Hata kwa ile chakula yenye sipendi spices, like kuna chakula yenye of course ukipika kwa like no, this one I want to put spices. For me, garam masala lazima ikue. Actually I think the only place that I don't use garam masala is on nikipika vegetables, because wakati napika skuma nini huwa siweki spices. The only thing I use instead of kuweka nyanya huwa naeka karoko cube kamoja. This red one, yeah, and we inaonja tu poa kabisa. Kitunguu, chumvi kidogo, kariko na mboga. Slaps. So nayo goes with everything. Garam masala. So I think it's usually a mixture of different spices. If I'm not wrong, it's a mixture of different spices. Oh yeah, sure. Iko na coriander, iko na cumin, iko na cinnamon, iko na cardamom, iko na black pepper. It has ginger, bay leaves, and salt. So of course, that's why it works for everything. So if you maybe you're not like really a pro when it comes to mixing spices, I recommend getting this one. Naona garam masala. And ukichukua ya tropical heat, but that nachukwanga hii ama the other brand that I usually use, which the name has escaped me for now, but yeah, so I usually use this, and I feel like it works for everything. Inawakingi for nyama, for fish, for rice, for what, it just works for everything. Hata ukipika ndengu kama ande, garam masala is the way to go. So of course, make sure that this is a must when you're cooking food, because it will balance everything off. And now that nimesoma easy ingredients zenye ziko, it now makes a lot of sense, because if it has a little of everything, then it makes it perfect. Sindio? Then I got milk. Hizi milk zimekuwa zimekaa hapa, uzuri ni long lines, zimekuwa zimekatwa hapa kwa hii bag, because I didn't buy these things yesterday or the day after yesterday. Like I think it's been 4 or 5 days since I bought these things. Na maziwa zimekuwa tu zikikaa hapo. I hope has just spoiled, but si nini, long life. Hata kama maziwa kwa fridge haziwezi spoil. Anyway, so I got a few packs of milk. This was actually on offer. It was going for 40 bob. Of course I had to pick it, so picked. This will be enough for at least 2 weeks. Yeah, this is maziwa mob. This is enough for 2 weeks. And that's the end of the haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And yeah. If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't be. So guys, this is the situation that we have with the fridge. So here we have Pichu's rice, of course, as usual. Then here we have sauces. So this is pizza sauce, and nyuma yake kuna, is it coconut? Yes, coconut cream. But the coconut cream nilipoteza kifuniko, so sahi nimeirap na let me just show you. Nimeirap hivyo na clean film. I hope it will be good, but yeah. So nafaa tu ni I make coconut beans again so that nimalize tu hivyo. I don't know how nilipoteza hiyo kifuniko, but anyway, we move on regardless. Then we have the juices here. Now because of Pichu's food, hapa tumeka tu juice like mpaka uko mwisho. Yeah, tumeka tu juice mpaka uko mwisho. Then we have the Frushon yogurt, which is still there. I really prefer taking ice cream rather than yogurt, so that's why easy yogurt at a pieces tu kama sita, they stay a while. But yeah, ziko. Oh, I hope they're not expired, by the way, come to think of it. Anyway, so hapa chini we have this kaki thingy that I got from Pandamat. So this usually I use it to put the capsicum, hizo ni mahoho, the bell peppers, all colors. I usually put them there, and they tend to stay a while because kiwapo ziko, yeah, you know. Then this is some leftover skuma. Then here I have savannas, and of course these 2 racks for my sauces. In this house napenda sauce, so I have everything over there. Then hapa chini I have some leftover food. I think this is rice and what, ndengu. Then this is some chips masala. I made chips masala, was it yesterday or majuzi? Yeah, still here. Some eggs here, and of course the milk that I bought, and some naitwaje easy nyanya. Yeah, then on the side nothing much is going on. So we have milk, of course, nikigawa maziwa nikipika chai, Pichu stop. So guys, as I was saying, kigawa maziwa nikipika chai, the remaining one naikanga kwa this milk jar. Then I have some juice there, kukaribu kuisha, tomato sauce. This is ginger and garlic paste. I usually make this myself, so I just blend the ginger and garlic and use it for a minute. Then I have some leftover cake, and that's just it. So hukuju, it's really packed. Of course, Pichu's rice, I usually make that in plenty so that wakati kumeki rice, it takes a minute, it takes a while, so I just make it in plenty. And why not, at least akishaanza kunini. Then we have some sausages there, while we have chicken nuggets, and of course ice cream. In this house we love ice cream. More ice cream over here, chicken nuggets. Then this is blanched skumas and greens in general. So I usually blanch them, then package them in this to paper. So nabaingi to paper soko, then nanini, trying to put them up a juu ndio niwaonyeshe. So when I blanch them, soko blanch ni kuweka tu kwa sufuria, then it gets in a steam kidogo, then ni hivo, and it's good to go. So pale hivo is these are mbaazi, frozen mbaazi, then this is beef, these are more chicken nuggets. Maybe napenda chicken nuggets sana. Then this is more mboga, so I think I'll just put these mbogas here because hapa juu nili realize naanguka. But anyway, so that's it. Mimi by the way, one thing I hate ni kwenda kwa soko every time. Then this is how I store my ice. I use this after zimenini nazirusha hapo ndani, so it's just scooping, yeah, and that's just it. So guys, as I was saying, if you're wondering why I have things like mbazi, what else, mboga kwa freezer, it's because I have a really tight schedules. Like during the week I have really tight schedules during the week, and trust me, like nakwanga tight ile design yenyewe naweza fika home 10 ndapata mama mboga wapi, you know, or even later than that. And if nimekuja home and I feel like taking ugali and skuma, that means that I'll have shake ugali and skuma, lakini nitatoa wapi mboga, I get. So I get myself doing like I prefer doing this, just having things like meat, mboga, cereals zenye kama zizi chemka. The only thing I usually don't freeze is kamande and dengu, because that's very easy to just make, because it takes like 15 minutes maximum to just cook it. So of course that's easier, but for everything else that takes time, I prefer to buy them and store them in the freezer. That usually makes my work very easy, honestly. So yeah, that's why I do it. And because of course it's I think that kila mtu hufanya kitu yenye convenient for them, and for me having everything in the fridge is really convenient. Yeah, and we pray to God that we get a bigger fridge. At least now we can be able to like store everything. Kama sai freezer iko tight, as you have seen, it's very tight, but thank God for what is there, because at least it makes my work easier. And yeah, so guys, I think that's the end of it. I think this will be the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this month's atakama itakuwa a huge shopping haul as usual. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I really want to thank you again for always remembering to like this video, for always remembering to just click on it and spend a few minutes of your time to just watch me as I share my life with you. I really appreciate you guys. And of course the next shopping haul will be huge, because this time kama tutafanya shopping ile the main shopping, of course next time it must be huge. And yeah, so I can't really wait. And of course guys, make sure that you take care of yourselves, especially please during this time. I'm actually making this video after maandamano ya Tuesday, of which it was what? A lot of people died, a lot of people, you know, a lot of properties were destroyed. Apart from government properties, kuna watu pia like RNG Plaza, I don't know if you guys saw that, kulikuwa na a lot of things that were destroyed. So as we reject the finance bill, also let's keep safe. Remember to just call your friend, call your brother, call your sister, make sure that they are doing okay. Yeah, not just as in mnezenda mnaona mtu ameenda maandamano but you've not even called them to know if they walifika job walifika home poa. Yeah, so let's make sure that we be our brother's keeper, and of course make sure that we keep in touch with our family and friends, and just make sure that they are doing fantastic. Also guys, tuko pamoja. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Without saying much, let me say bye and cheers.
If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah.